Hey everyone, it's Erin from the Eaton Rapids Area District Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some beautiful butterflies out of paper and some pipe cleaners. It's really easy, doesn't take that long, and if I can do it, you can do it, because I learned this week that I am not so great at paper folding. But it'll be fun. So in the library kits, I included some paper and some pipe cleaners. I included some different colors, so if you want to mix and match, make your butterfly different colors, you can do that. Or if you mess up a fold, you can start over. So for each butterfly, you only need 2 pieces of paper. The first fold we're going to do is you're going to take one, you're going to fold it hot dog style. And I don't know about you guys, but I am not the biggest fan of hot dogs. They're just not my favorite food. But I love watching the hot dog eating competition every year. Just watched it last weekend. Okay, so we have our paper. It's just folded once. Now we are going to fold each corner in. I'll do the fold and then I will show you. It's kind of like a paper airplane. You're just going to take the corner and fold it in the middle, and you're going to do that on all 4 sides. So like I said, I tried to pick one that was super easy because I found out that paper folding is not really a skill I possess. But just like anything else, practice makes perfect. So the more you do something, the better you get at something. Okay. Oops. So it should be looking like that right now. And then what you're going to do, this part's a little tricky to explain. You're going to take about a 1/2 inch and you're going to fold it down from the top. You can just guesstimate. You don't have to measure. Basically, just fold a little bit on the top like that. And then you're going to do it the opposite way, the same amount. Think like an accordion. And then you're just going to keep doing this. Same amount. Until you run out of paper. And this is going to be the top of our butterfly. It's going to be beautiful. I love seeing butterflies in nature. They're probably one of my favorite things to see. Okay. And then once you get it all folded, so it should kind of, like I said, look like an accordion. You're going to just take it in the middle. You're just going to fold it in half. Like I said, that'll be the top. Then we're going to take our next sheet of paper. And this one we're going to do pretty much the same thing, except we're going to zigzag it all the way down. So you do one way, and then the next way. And once you start doing the folds, it gets easier and easier. And this will be the bottom of our butterfly. And I hope you guys enjoy this and are enjoying all the other crafts that we're doing at the library. I know it's not the summer we had planned. I don't think anyone had this planned this summer, but we're certainly trying to still bring you guys fun activities in whatever way we can. Okay, so once you get that sheet all folded, ooh, don't want to unfold it. Okay. Pinch it like that, and then you're going to fold it in half, just like the top. Voila, that's going to be the bottom half of our butterfly. So you're going to put the middle 2 parts together. You're going to take your pipe cleaner, and you are just going to twist it around, just like that. And there's a couple different options you can do at this point. So you can leave it, this one I left long, so you can like hang it up somewhere. But you could also like chop this part off and you could put antenna, like have it, leave it like that and have it look more like a butterfly. So yeah, I mean, this is a super cheap, fun craft. It kind of gets you, it's a beginner origami, not technically origami, but beginner paper folding for people like me that need some practice with their skills. So yeah, I hope you had fun. And you can do this with other stuff around the house too. So thread, ribbon, all that stuff. So I will say you need to start with a square sheet of paper and then just cut the paper in half, and that's your start. So yeah, I hope you had fun. Have a great day, guys. Bye.